Welcome to Parrots Boutique Resort. Should you crave an escape to tranquil Palawan, all details, including booking information, are available via the QR code or the description below this video. Discover a sanctuary where lush greenery meets pristine beaches, a haven crafted for those who yearn for peace and serenity. Forget the world and immerse yourself in an atmosphere meticulously designed for unwinding. Here, modern comforts seamlessly blend with the raw beauty of nature, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Each room, thoughtfully appointed, whispers of relaxation, promising a cozy retreat. Choose from various options, from standard havens to deluxe sanctuaries, tailoring your stay to perfection. Wake up and savor a delicious breakfast, allowing you to prepare for the day. Enjoy the convenience of complimentary Wi-Fi and the freedom of on-site parking. Unwind on the pristine shores, bask in the sun's embrace, or lose yourself in the crystal-clear waters. Please note that Parrots Boutique Resort is a child-free retreat, making it an ideal choice for adults seeking a truly rejuvenating escape. As checkout is before 10 a.m., we invite you to make the most of your time at Parrots Boutique Resort, which allows you to enjoy a leisurely morning before your departure. Should you desire a moment of pure bliss, remember to book your stay by scanning the QR code or by accessing the information in the description below, and allow us to welcome you to paradise.